Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to check my Instagram account login devices. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply tap on the below right corner of your profile icon, and here you have to simply tap on the top right corner of three horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy. So in the settings and privacy, you guys have to simply select the first option, which is account center. So in the account center, you have to simply tap on password and security. And here you have to simply just tap on where you are logged in the security check section. So after clicking on it, here it will provide you some accounts. So you have to simply select the account which you want to check. So I'm selecting the account. So after selecting that, here it will provide you a list of all the devices which are logged in with your devices. So you guys can check and verify if there is any suspicious activity or suspicious device logged in with your account. You have to simply just click on the device and click on logout. In this way, you guys can protect your account, and in this way, you guys can check who are logged in with your account. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.